Hey everyone! Bitcoin explained. The future of money. Bitcoin was created back in 2008 as a reaction to government corruption and the manipulation of traditional currencies. It's a revolutionary digital currency that allows direct peer-to-peer transactions without needing banks or government intermediaries. One of the coolest things about Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. New coins are added through a process called mining, which involves computers solving complex math problems. This process is not only energy-intensive but also time-consuming, making it difficult and costly to create new bitcoins, unlike traditional currencies that can be printed endlessly, leading to inflation. All Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. Think of it as a giant puzzle where every piece is unique and fits perfectly, making it virtually impossible to counterfeit. This decentralized ledger means everyone has a copy, and any fraudulent transactions are immediately rejected. The blockchain design ensures that Bitcoin transactions are both secure and transparent. Everything is verifiable and traceable, adding an extra layer of trust. Bitcoin isn't just secure, it's also incredibly accessible. Millions of people use it for fast, cheap international transactions. But let's not forget the volatility. Bitcoin's value can swing wildly, making it a potentially lucrative but risky investment. Currently, only about 1% of the global population owns Bitcoin, so there's still a lot of room for adoption. Lastly, the community governance of Bitcoin is worth mentioning. Any changes to Bitcoin's code require a majority consensus among millions of users, making manipulation very difficult. So there you have it. Bitcoin is more than just digital money. It's a groundbreaking technology redefining how we think about currencies. Ready to dive in? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.